Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be reviewing all of the Octane Gain races. So let's start off from the beginning with Billy Oilchanger. Now, Billy Oilchanger's dream is to become a racing car commentator after he retires. He's watched the greats over the years, like Daryl Cartrip, and even practices announcing by calling the races out loud to himself while he's in them. It's a great experience, though the other drivers find it distracting and even a little creepy. And his car model, with a Sherpa Motors Iota GT, I mean it's fictional of course, but still. Now, as you can see, he deviates massively from the other two, who we'll obviously get to later. And, as you can see, he's got this nice orange colour, number 58. But nice. Now, I do apologise if he's chipped up, because, I think it was, one of the first piston cup races I ever got. Still 58, and obviously, well, we don't need to read the contingency sponsors because, there's every car's a piston cup racer, isn't they? Now, as you can see, he's the same model as Winford Bradford Rutherford here. My favourite carbon piston cup racer. Nice job, Winford. Well, nice design that is. And obviously you go 58, whatever, Octane Gain. So got turbo vitamin, so like a medication it is. And then number 58, Octane Gain. Yeah. And he's my favourite Octane Gain, and personally, I think he's my favourite. He's my favourite Octane Gain racer. Yeah, and the colour and design, just everything really. Now we move on to the car's free stock car, Bobby Swift, who is known for squeezing past his opponents at the last moment to win a race. He's always a wheel-to-wheel of Lightning McQueen, Brick Yardley, Mancow Lewis technically. Then Bobby, Lightning and Brick are always sparring with one another at the front of the pack. But no matter the outcome, they remain good buddies. Now, as you can see, he looks, well, nothing like Billy. And different colour, different number, same sponsor of course, but I think it's quite hard to believe that both of them are the same sponsor. Well, now if you're wondering why the number got changed, it's so its number's the same as Danny Swervez's number, who's obviously works with Daniel Suarez, and outside number 19 is his number. But now let's move on to. Now let's have a good look at him. As you can see, contingency sponsors, 5 revolting RPM nitrate Octane Gain. Yeah, obviously a sponsor, Clutch Aid. Wait, the contingency sponsor and car's restock car's the same. Let's have a little look. Let's just take Chip Gearings, who's same model, and it looks like they are the same. I thought so. Now, it hasn't got a little orange, but it's not the main colour, which I actually preferred, if I'm honest. I prefer the orange. I'm not saying purple's bad, but this is nice. And he is a brawny motor case, Sparky A, and he was also the first man to be released. yeah, like another one of his models, red meat colour. The resemblance is uncanny, like a Mr. Incredible becoming uncanny. And now let's move on to the next gen, Danny Swervez. And Danny Swervez is a young racer. He races up against all odds to quickly climb the Piston Cup ladder. He's focused, eager to learn, and set on pushing himself to overcome obstacles both on and off the track. Now, Danny's new to the racing scene, but he is a quick learner who strives to be the very best. He came in halfway through the racing season to take place of Bobby Swift. Now, he's voiced by Danny Suarez, who's obviously a NASCAR driver, and he's one of the few. I think he's voiced by a NASCAR driver, and Suarez. Then there's also Bubba Wheelhouse, he's voiced by Bubba Wallace, Chase Racler, voiced by Chase Elliott, and Ryan Inside Laney, voiced by Ryan Blaney, which is quite nice. Quite a nice touch, I think. It's obviously like Jeff Gorvette, who's obviously voiced by Jeff Gordon. I've done a review of him, and now obviously same as Bobby Swift, same number. Obviously, 19 is his real life number, but I think it's been changed, or I think it has it. Now then, as you can see, you can see here, it's OG, obviously for Octane Gain, and all contingency sponsors, like all the other next gens, their contingency sponsors are car 3 only sponsors, so Combustor, Synergy, Carbon Cyber. And I do love these gold, whatever, your trim, whatever. And 19, OG, Octane Gain, yeah, you get it. Oh yes, rookie stripes. Which is all the next gens have. And personally, I think Danny, he kind of looks like a Koenigsegg CC8S, which in Forza Horizon 5, I made him out of obviously CC8S, which quite accurate if I'm honest. But that's pretty much all there is to say. So I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Goodbye.